They have a new box for you. Let's find out what is inside. Let's unpack it.
Okay.
It's a Jeep Grand Commander 1:18 scale. Check out the interior. Looks like a real car. Let's compare it with other SUVs from my collection. Here is the white Range Rover, elegant and strong. This is a red Acura RDX from my collection, sporty and modern. Now my collection has a new off-road king, the Jeep Grand Commander. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon!